Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing this right here. Yan, ito. Kasi nangyayari is that sometimes yan, binubuksan namin yan, pero biglang bumabagsak. So yan, katulad yan. Pag iaangat, minsan minsan hindi bumabagsak, pero most of the times kapag let's say nagkakarga ka dito, hindi mo siya pinapansin, bigla na lang babagsak sa ulo mo, and that happened to me a couple of times. Masakit na yung ulo ko. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing these right here. Yan, papalitan natin siya today. Dumating na yung part which I ordered from Lazada. Yan, 430 pesos. I-unbox natin, tingnan natin kung anong laman, tapos i-install na rin natin. Let's go! So yan, bukas na siya. And inside the box are, ayan. Yan, ito na yung nasa loob ng box. Tanggalin natin sa plastic. So yan na yung itsura niya. So let's go ahead and install this to the car. So the way you do it is you get a flathead screwdriver. Tapos you would just have to remove this clip. Ayan, itong clip. Kyle, can you hold the camera please? Oh no, ito pala ito. Hold that right there, yeah. Okay, I have my son supporting the trunk while we're doing this kasi baka bumagsak sa atin. Pero yan, the way you do it is there's a clip right here. So yan, sisikbatin nyo lang. Just like that. Yun. And there you go. Yun, natanggal na yung clip. So yan. There you go. And you do the same thing on the other end of the strut. Just like that. Kasi ito yung pinaka-lock niya. Yun. Oh shit, hindi. Nagasgas. Anyway, be careful kapag ginagawa nyo to kasi yun nga, you might damage your paintwork. Yan sa akin na nagasgas ko na agad. Anyway. Ayaw. Ayun. Okay. So yun, there you go. And what's important is that you find help. Someone to just guide the trunk while you're doing this kasi pag tinanggal nyo to, baka bumagsak sa ulo mo. So yun. So what you do is you pull one end first. Yan. Ayun, okay. Madali naman pala siyang tanggalin. Parang meron siya ditong parang bola. Meron siya ditong bola. Yan. And you do the same thing on the other end. You just pull it out. And yun, tanggal. Madali lang siya matanggal pala. And this right here is pretty worn out. Okay, so Kyle, stay there ha. Hold that for now. Tapos what you do next is, I guess you compare your original part with the new part that you got. And okay. I would say na yung nabili ko is I would say a bit shorter. It's a bit shorter than the stock unit. O nga, mas maikli siya. Pero, tingnan natin kung mapapagkasya natin siya. Okay, so what you're going to be doing next is you're going to be siguro, itaas nyo ng konti yung clip para mawala yung lock. Kasi itong clip yung pinaka-lock niya sa loob para hindi siya mabunot. So yun, iangat nyo ng konti and then you will just go ahead and proceed with installing the new part. Can you pull it down just a tiny bit? Okay, yun. Okay. We're good. Ayun. Okay, so pag natama nyo na... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so pag natama nyo na yan... Can you pull it? Okay, so pag natama nyo na yan... Push it up just a tiny bit. Wait, hang on. Yan, tapos saka nyo ibabalik yung lock. Yan. Ayun, okay. So pag naitama nyo na yung pinaka-socket sa loob, pag naipasok nyo na yung part doon sa bola, you just have to put the clip back. Just like so. Do the same thing on the other side. Ayun. Okay, there you go. That you would just need to repeat the process on the other side. And I think that you should be all set. So, gagawin namin yung kabilang side. I'll get back to you once we're done. And just like that, I've already installed both struts on both sides. And yan, okay na. Sobrang dali. So, if you encounter that situation in your car, if you have a hatchback, tapos mabilis na bumagsak yung trunk, ito usually yung reason kung bakit bumabagsak siya. And again, it's very, very simple to replace. For those of you who are following my channel, I've also changed the head unit on this car. Yan. These are the items that I used to upgrade the sound system of my car. Actually, I've already installed the video. Kaya lang I had to erase the video kasi may copyright dun sa music na ginamit ko. But I'll be posting that again soon. So yun, you'll be seeing that in a couple of days. Yan, pero for now, yan, we are done with the install and let's see. Tingnan natin. Oh my god. Okay, so mas mahirap siyang ibaba. Siyempre, kasi mas mas maganit na yan. So, mas mahirap na siyang ibaba. Okay. Okay. And pagkabukas niya nung hatch yan, ayun, tumataas na kagad siya. Kahit yung hindi mo na siya kailangang itaas hindi mo na kailangan masyadong mag-effort ng pagtataas. Yan, no? Kahit ganyan lang yung bukas niya, yun. Alright, it opens by itself. I like it. Alright, so I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.